Good morning from Skardu in Pakistan. Look at where I am. Absolutely beautiful, although I am a bit concerned about the impending possible rainstorm that's coming in over there. It looks a bit dark. But today I'm about to embark on a trek I've been wanting to do for a very long time. It's called the Marsur Rock. It looks incredible. I'm not going to spoil it and show you what it looks like now, but it looks absolutely insane. The pictures, if the weather stays clear, it should be incredible. I've got the drone with me, so we'll get that up and get some good drone footage. I think it should be about an hour and a half or 2 hour hike. It depends who you ask. If you ask a local, it probably takes half an hour, but that'll be wildly inaccurate. So we've got the manager from my accommodation has come with us, and then there's a few other Westerners. Oh, you don't mind?
Hello.
That's Seth and Michelle and a fellow Englishman.
Alright.
Yeah, just getting some nicotine on them lungs before we increase the elevation.
Yeah, you can't get these things here.
I'm not sure what we're doing now. We've got out of the car, so we shared a taxi, which is over there, to this point. So we've come quite high as it is, but we're now ready to start the hike, and we're just kind of. I'm ready. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's do it. Cello.
Cello. But I'm hoping.
I don't think it's looking good for the weather. I'm a bit worried that we're going to be not having good views when we get to the top. It looks like it could be very, very cloudy, if not raining. So, fingers crossed, please. Otherwise, I'm going to end up having to do this hike again, I think, because I really want to get some good footage from the rock. Things are getting worse by the minute. Look at that, it's not looking good. Wind's picked up, we just got covered in dust. The lid blew off the bin, and then the bin blew over and tracked everywhere. Our guide's gone off piste.
I love climbing like that.
Weather update. I don't want to jinx anything, but you know, it's looking a little brighter. Yeah.
And we didn't know how long it was. We're like, ends up.
We're 2 hours in, just over. The rain stayed off, but it's pretty steep now. Struggling with breathing, as per usual.
Wow. Look at the flat. Freaking crazy.
Apparently we're on the last stretch now. It says 5-10 minutes, so that means 20 or 30, but it's almost straight up now. Okay, I believe we might actually be here. This is what it was all about. This rock here. Obviously, this is not the perspective that's impressive, but check out this next lot of footage.
Woo! We made it!
She's excited. Oh my god. I hope that footage did this justice. I don't think it will have done. It is absolutely mental. And the rock is just so cool, just beautiful. Jutting out like that into the landscape, and it just gives the best views. Now I'm enjoying cake. That's pretty good. A Pakistani sponge layer cake. 5 out of 7 for me. So now we're on the way back down and we're heading back into Skardu. I'll sign off the video here. So this has been the trek from Skardu to Marsur Rock. It is an absolute 7 out of 7 hike. The views are amazing. You definitely need to do it. But I would recommend coming with a local because the trail is a bit, sometimes you're not sure where to go, which way. And they know the route like the back of the hand. So yeah, a lot more videos coming up from northern Pakistan. So I'll see you in the next one.